Lenovo Legion Y700 2024. Lenovo launches new Legion Y700 gaming tablet. 8.8 inches, 165 Hz display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 is an impressive tablet packed with features designed to enhance both entertainment and productivity. From its high refresh rate display to its powerful Snapdragon processor, this device is built to deliver a seamless, fast experience for gamers, streamers, and multitaskers alike. The good part is that Lenovo has paired this flagship SoC with a large vapor chamber cooler. As the company previously shared, this cooling setup lets the chip stay cool even during heavy loads, leading to a stable gaming performance and optimal temperature. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a high-performance octa-core chip designed for top-tier gaming and heavy multitasking. The VC area is 1,004 millimeters and is claimed to be larger than a mobile phone screen. The tablet also comes with 12 GB or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring smooth operations and quick app switching. For storage, it offers options of 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, with a micro SD card slot for further expansion, giving users plenty of space for games, apps, and media. Running on Xiaomi 15 based on Android 14, the Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 offers a clean and intuitive user experience with enhanced performance and a variety of customization options. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 boasts an 8.8 inches IPS LCD display with a sharp 2560 and 1600 pixels resolution. Its 165 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming, while the 500 nit brightness and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut make colors vivid and clear in all lighting conditions. With support for DC dimming and Dolby Vision, the display ensures comfortable viewing while reducing eye strain, making it ideal for extended use. The Super Control Smart Edition screen is available as an option, which improves smoothness by 4.1 times, reduces screen glare by 96.5%, and reduces flash points by 45% compared to conventional anti-glare screens, says the company. The device is equipped with a 6550 mAh battery that supports 68-watt fast charging, allowing for quick recharges. It also includes Ultra Power Saving Mode, enabling longer usage time between charges, which is perfect for gamers and users who are frequently on the go. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 is a powerful and versatile tablet that caters to gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. With its high refresh rate display, robust Snapdragon processor, long-lasting battery, and premium audio experience, it offers great value for those seeking performance in a compact, portable device. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 features a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera. While the rear camera is great for capturing high-quality photos and videos, the front camera supports Face Unlock for added security and convenient access. This tablet supports 802.11b AC Wi-Fi for fast and reliable internet connectivity. The dual USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 ports allow for faster data transfer and efficient charging. Additionally, Bluetooth 5.1 enables easy pairing with wireless accessories and devices. For a more immersive audio experience, the Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 is equipped with dual JBL speakers and supports Dolby Atmos, delivering rich and powerful sound whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or listening to music. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.